after taking into account and spoken and written words of experts and people who understand railways better than me, reports of Kakotkar and Pitroda committee, and within the overall parameters set out in Vision 2020 document, I realized a huge sum of rupees 14 lakh crore is required in the next 10 years. Given the serious constraint of funds even to meet the day-to-day operational expenditure, I have Himalayan task of running Indian Railways safely. I had two very clear yet contrasting options before me. First option, either to keep the railways in status quo mode with just incremental annual changes, or, as the phrase goes, bite the bullet. The second option would involve going for a generational change with a focus on safety and inclusive growth to meet the aspiration of this great country in the next decade. Madam, I chose a generational change, inspired by Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. हाथ की लकीरों से जिंदगी नहीं बनती, हाथ की लकीरों से जिंदगी नहीं बनती, अज़म हमारा भी कुछ हिस्सा है जिंदगी बनाने में. Madam Speaker, with a view to understanding the real aspiration of the people, I have visited several states along with the board members, starting with the far-flung state of Nagaland in the northeast to Kerala in the south, Maharashtra in the west, Chhattisgarh in the center, beside Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, etc. I interacted with the Chief Minister and members of both the houses of parliament from those states cutting across party line. I believe that perhaps there is not a single member of parliament whom I did not have the privilege to interact. Right? I am grateful to all the honorable members and the Chief Minister whom I met collectively and also individually, and from whom I have truly learned a lot about the aspiration of the common man. Madam Speaker, in the last 8 months, my working as a railway minister, I have received as many as 5,741 requests. These includes 476 requests for project of new lines, doubling gauge conversion and expediting their completion. 273 requests for construction of ROBs and RUBs. 41 for electrification, 48 for setting manufacturing facilities, 646 requests for new trains, 303 for extension of trains, 214 for increasing frequency of the train, and another 811 for train stoppages, and about 3,000 requests miscellaneous areas such as transfer, posting, and passenger amenities. I, as a member of parliament, madam, do understand and realize the expectation of the people of their constituencies, which each member represents. All their demands are genuine, and I can truly feel, I just feel when members of parliament come to me with so much of anguish, it is all because of the people they represent, common man. I am glad to state in this budget, I have truly tried to provide something to meet aspiration of the people across the length and breadth of the country and to meet these demands within the available resources.